Hey foodies, monsoons have started, so we'll be preparing these crunchy, munchy bread rolls without any kind of stuffing or mess. So without further ado, let's dive right into the recipe.
First up, in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to take 5 to 6 bread slices and I'm using these big ones. Soak them in just half a cup of milk. This is the regular milk which is pre-boiled and at room temperature. Do not add much milk. Let them get soaked for some time. Meanwhile, we'll do the other preparations. Next up, in a pan, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil and add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, 1 onion finely chopped. Mix it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they turn soft and slightly golden brown in color. In between, I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix that as well and cook further until the onions turn soft and golden brown. Next, I'm adding half a capsicum finely chopped, some carrot finely chopped. You can also use grated carrot instead. Mix and cook further for about 2 more minutes. And guys, if you want, you can also add some boiled corn, some green peas, cabbage, beans, whichever veggies you prefer. Once the veggies are tender, I'm going to add in 2 potatoes boiled and grated along with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can also use red chili powder instead, 1 teaspoon of mixed herb seasoning. Mix everything really well. So guys, here I'm adding all the Italian flavors and herbs because I'm trying to give it a different flavor. But if you want, you can also add some Indian spices like garam masala, red chili powder, peri peri masala or even Maggi masala for your kids. So that's our base ready. I'm going to turn off the flame and keep it aside and let it cool down a bit. Meanwhile, let's check our bread. You can see the bread has turned quite soft. I'm going to crumble it and mash it nicely. Needed to make a soft dough. Do this for about 2 minutes. So this soft dough is ready. Add in the potatoes and vegetable base to this, but make sure it is at room temperature. And then I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. And then add about 2 tablespoons of rice flour for that extra crispiness and binding. If you don't have rice flour, you can simply use some all-purpose flour, corn flour or even arrowroot powder. Mix everything really well to prepare a dough. So this basic dough is ready. I'm going to grease the palm with some oil and prepare cylindrical balls. So today I'm giving this elongated shape. If you want, you can make balls, you can make cubes. Or if you want, you can simply flatten this mixture and place a cheese cube inside this to make a cheese ball. So all my cylindrical balls are ready. Next, I'm going to prepare slurry, for which I've taken about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl along with half a cup of water. Mix it and make a slurry out of it. You can see the consistency. It should be slightly runny. Also, here I've taken some fresh breadcrumbs. You can also use the dry ones, whichever you have handy. So everything is ready. Our cylindrical balls are ready, slurry is ready, breadcrumbs are ready. Take 1 potato ball, dip this into the slurry, remove the excess with the help of a fork and immediately coat it into the breadcrumbs. Coat it well from all the sides. You can see how this looks. So this is single coating. If you want, you can double coat them also. So likewise, I've prepared all the potato balls and I have double coated all of them. Keep this in the refrigerator just for about 5 to 10 minutes for setting. If you want, you can store these in any airtight container, store it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days, or you can store them in the freezer for almost a month. So now these are ready to fry. Fry them in medium-high flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Fry them in batches. So keep doing this and frying them until they turn golden brown and crunchy on all the sides. So after about 4 minutes, you can see this perfect golden brown color. Remove them out and likewise fry the second batch as well. Just hear the crunch, guys. It's super crunchy and flavorful. You can serve these crispy potato rolls with any dip of your choice. I'm serving with some green chutney and ketchup. So guys, do try this, especially for your kids. I'm sure they are gonna love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this easy peasy recipe today as much I did in making it. And if yes, do hit the like button. Please consider subscribing if you're new here, and you can check all my socials in the description below. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.